A huge decision today surprised everyone by community of Shiba Inu. Bitcoin is starting to fade from the spotlight. Bitcoin did not set any new daily all-time highs today. Additionally, the cryptocurrency area is receiving a very optimistic signal. The Shiba Inu whales are really irrational right now. The daily net flow of Shiba Inu has seen a tremendous spike, increasing by about 7,100% in the span of a few hours. This is happening even though the price fell recently. Word got around quickly, and everyone was pumped up. On the other hand, you may be asking, why is this happening? And how is it relevant to Blackrock? Allow me to clarify. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more Shib news, be sure to click the like button. For Shiba Inu, this week has been absolutely thrilling. Shiba Inu's net flow surged by an astounding 7,100%, indicating some unexpected market action. In addition, there was a little increase in the price, which is often a positive indicator. To put things in perspective, Shiba Inu has been going through a little tough patch as of late, with prices falling to a vital support level after a floor price. The good news is that it recovered fast, gaining 11% in just 2 days and maintaining a firm position above that critical support level. However, the intriguing aspect is here. The major shareholders, or whales, who own a large percentage of Shiba Inu, remain somewhat optimistic despite the market's difficulties. Actually, they started purchasing Shiba Inu in bulk early last month. More than 17 million Shiba Inu, or 800 billion, just made their way into these whales' systems. Despite the extreme volatility, this is the best level we've seen in the last 28 days, so that's encouraging. The town is absolutely agog at this massive relocation, which has undoubtedly generated quite a commotion. This demonstrates that demand is still high, particularly from those whales, which is a major development. This is a welcome respite, even if yesterday's market activity was sluggish. Things became a little more tricky yesterday, but the fact that major players are still interested betrays their trust in Shiba Inu's future, even though the decline is persisting. Some serious issues that might determine the asset's fate were highlighted by on-chain data. A massive 67 trillion Shiba Inu support level is at jeopardy due to the market's persistently negative sentiment. Regardless, the fact that whales are still in high demand at the moment makes this decision a game-changer for the Shiba Inu community. This inspires optimism for the future since it indicates that the major actors still believe in the future of Shiba Inu, despite all the problems. This whole thing may still be perplexing to you. The price changes aren't as sharp or rapid as they formerly were. Why is that? Isn't it a little bit puzzling? I sense a shift in energy. It seems that the strain is felt by more than simply Shiba Inu. The price of Bitcoin is falling as well. The price of Bitcoin has been falling continuously and has now hit a crucial support level, according to a Twitter expert. Because support levels act as price safety nets, this is significant. Everyone knows that Shiba Inu and Bitcoin have a history of moving in tandem. It is common for Shiba Inu prices to fall in tandem with Bitcoin's. It is not surprising that Shiba Inu prices are moving slowly, given that Bitcoin is also suffering and has struck that crucial support. The two seem to be caught in the same current, as if they were bound together. That explains why the previous large price fluctuations are not occurring, despite the fact that demand from whales is still there. Shiba Inu is behaving similarly to Bitcoin, which is to move more carefully as the market as a whole remains in its slump. But there's good news coming soon, says the same Twitter expert. Slowly but surely, the chart is making a comeback, and it may even bounce back. This, he says, may be the beginning of an altcoin season, when tokens like Shiba Inu acquire traction once again. He saw indications of a change when he examined the graphs. There has been some good movement and stabilization, which may indicate that cryptocurrencies are ready for a return. This rebound might provide a much-needed lift to the market, especially Shiba Inu, if it persists. It's still early, however. This might be the quiet before the storm, when things take a dramatic turn for the better and restore the thrill we've been lacking. What the statistics reveal is intriguing, therefore it's possible this is accurate. There has reportedly been a massive influx of Ethereum, which may indicate that investors are beginning to look beyond Bitcoin for other cryptocurrencies. An expert on Twitter noticed a big change. Over $130 million poured into Ethereum ETFs yesterday. Over $226 million were pulled out of Bitcoin at the same time. It seems that major players are shifting their focus from Bitcoin to altcoins, which is a significant distinction. This is monumental since Bitcoin has been king as of late, setting new records on a regular basis and retaining all the attention. While the main currency has been thriving, altcoins have been floundering. There may be a shift happening. A positive development for the cryptocurrency sector as a whole is that investors are beginning to consider alternatives to Bitcoin. When Bitcoin is the center of attention, altcoins risk being overshadowed. However, if more people start paying attention to cryptocurrencies, it may spark a new era of innovation and development in the industry as a whole. A more developed and diverse cryptocurrency market may be possible in a situation like this, where Bitcoin and altcoins are both doing well. When you take into account what the experts mentioned, this market change makes a lot of sense. The recent surge in popularity of Ethereum and similar altcoins suggests that major financial institutions are getting ready for a season of altcoins. When we talk about large institutions, we should mention that even Blackrock has taken notice of this trend towards alternative cryptocurrencies. Twitter tweet recently disclosed that Blackrock bought a ton of Ethereum, valued $89.5 million. Shiba Inu should be quite happy to hear this, regardless of how the pricing has been doing as of late. Big names like Blackrock are putting a lot of money into Ethereum, which might make altcoins like Shiba Inu even more exciting. When Ethereum begins to gain traction, it usually propels other cryptocurrencies to new heights. Thus, this kind of institutional investment demonstrates that there is still a great deal of room for expansion, despite the fact that Shiba Inu prices are now experiencing a downturn. The Shiba Inu community takes great heart in the fact that Ethereum has the support of industry heavyweights like BlackRock. This might indicate that Shiba Inu is riding high on the cryptocurrency market's impending surge. It's like a match that might set off a chain reaction for other cryptocurrencies, and Shiba Inu could be a major player in the next altcoin boom. This price drop may seem concerning at first, but it's really nothing to be alarmed about. Anxieties are common reactions to market dips like this. However, many investors, particularly those with a large portfolio, see it as a chance to increase their holdings. Market cycles are predictable, and major players typically take advantage of downturns to buy assets at a discount before the next upswing. Even though the price of Shiba Inu has dropped, whales have been buying them up in big numbers. These major participants are not retreating. They're taking advantage of the reduced prices to stock up on Shiba Inu. Even if the market is faltering, the whales' action like this demonstrates that they still believe in Shiba Inu's future. Indeed, we should not let ourselves be consumed by the pessimism that permeates our surroundings. It's easy to allow other people's skepticism color our outlook, but now is the moment to maintain an optimistic outlook and trust in Shiba Inu. Now more than ever, as the Christmas season approaches, let us pause to reflect on the things that bring us joy and renew our commitment to the Shiba Inu society. Today, Lucy urged everyone to have a cheerful outlook, enjoy the season, and remember that Shiba Inu have a bright future. The Shiba Inu community knows that keeping unified and having faith in what's to come is key, even when the marketplace seems unclear. Therefore, what is your view on the matter? Put your thoughts in the space provided. The day is over now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To see our most recent material, share it and subscribe to the channel.